GeoLux LX80 is an instrument that measures the water level of rivers from above the water surface. LX80 uses high-frequency 80 GHz radar to provide an accurate measurement of the water level. The main benefit of using radar technology for water level measurement is in its simple and fast installation. The sensor does not come in contact with water and cannot be affected or damaged by sediment, mud, driftwood, or pollution in water. LX80 comes in 3 versions. The short-range version provides measurements up to 8 meters distance between the instrument and the water surface. The mid-range version can make measurements up to 15 meters, and the long-range version makes measurements up to 30 meters from the water surface. GeoLux LX80 provides an accurate water level measurement within 1 second after power-up, and the measurement is updated every second. A special oceanographic version of the instrument provides level measurement 10 times per second. Support for multiple communication protocols in a single sensor makes it easy to integrate with a wide variety of third-party data loggers. GeoLux is specialized in the development of instruments for environmental monitoring. We understand the difference between industrial applications and environmental applications, and LX80 was built from the ground up to provide accurate and reliable readings from the environment.